babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Now is a great time to subscribe. First of all, I just want to say thank you. By this point, we should either be at 300K or 2 seconds from it, and I am just so grateful, so thankful. So of course, I wanted to show you my hair prep routine for Boho Knotless. Now, of course, if you guys have not already seen my hydration machine, it is actually on Amazon, so definitely make sure to check the description box so that you can get a direct link to it. Now, for shampoo, I like to use a clarifying shampoo whenever I'm going to be getting my hair braided, just because typically there are going to be some pretty heavy products that will be applied to my hair, so I want to make sure it's going to be super clean. And then of course, for conditioner, I like to use the Design Essentials Almond Butter Conditioner, which just does a really good job of keeping that moisture in my hair. In combination with the hydration machine, y'all, we have a winner, okay? But definitely make sure that you use a clarifying shampoo. That way, all the products that are going to be used for the actual style will adhere to your hair, will not cause that white buildup, and your style will last a lot longer. Now, y'all, my hair has gone through the most as usual, okay? Hence my channel being created. But we'll get into that a little bit later on this week when I give you guys a natural hair update and all of the things. So far so good, not much shedding, but I did need to go ahead and just make sure that everything was completely blow dried out. So I'm taking the Mizani. This is their heat protectant, which is one of my favorites actually. I don't know if you've seen the reel of all of the heat protectants being put to use, but like the whole match test and all that stuff. Nevertheless, this is one of the most resistant ones, and so of course I just take my Pattern Beauty blow dryer just to quickly go throughout my hair. I don't know if you guys got a chance to see my original like video on this, giving you my final thoughts, and y'all, it's still doing what it needs to do. My hair is getting dry within 10 minutes, which is also an indicator that my hair is a little bit more heat trained. And yeah, to each his own. I feel like if you are somebody that wants to do less heat, I definitely recommend doing a heat-free option, just doing some plaits. Make sure you put some leave-in conditioner in there and allowing it to air dry, or you can even blow dry on no heat at all. Just do like that cold shot where it's just air and that whole flow through. But nevertheless, of course, in the natural hair update, I will be trimming my hair. Y'all, I have destroyed it with micro links, but that's neither here nor there, okay? Now we're gonna get right into the Boho Knotless. So of course, y'all know I came to see my girl Essentials. If you guys are not already following her on Instagram, definitely make sure to do that. She is located in Atlanta. Now, typically when I go on vacation, I really want some type of style that's gonna last, hold up, and I don't have to think about my hair. I have not been in the habit of doing my own braids, so y'all have probably been seeing me wear the knotless braids for probably about the past 2 years, which also assisted in my hair growth, and she is to thank for that. So definitely make sure to check her out. I will post her direct Instagram down in my description box below, and of course you guys should be able to just book her really quickly and easy if you are in the Atlanta area. Now, for the actual style, this is going to be a little bit more detailed. She's actually going to be doing a class which is going to teach you step by step how to get these done start to finish. Y'all know I'm always going to create a beginner friendly method as well, and also just apply a little bit of my like knowledge on how to do braids and just make it a little bit simpler for you as well. So definitely be on the lookout for both of those, both her class, if this is something you're looking to do to enhance your, I don't know if it'll be called like a resume, but if you are a braider or stylist and you're looking to kind of branch out, or if you're someone that's doing it at home and you really just want to learn. So either with my help or her help, either way, you will have the tools. Now, this is my first time getting the Boho Knotless, and I was nervous about it just because of all the curls, the kinks, the maintenance from what everybody has been telling me. And of course, I'll be sharing how I wash, condition, maintain the braids. And yeah, of course, I just really want to be able to give you guys feedback on these in real time, because I feel like we get a lot of that fluff talk. So definitely make sure that you are subscribed if you are not already, and definitely turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss the hair updates, my version of it, and all the juicy details. So of course, getting into this, I definitely learned a lot. Now, when it comes to knotless, there's so many ways to actually do the boho, let alone the knotless on its own. So there are a few things that we would need to break down and get into. This is kind of like a teaser. Just because this is my first time, I wanted to make sure that this was something that I liked, felt comfortable teaching you guys before I gave it to you all at once. So the deed has been done, the research has been done, your girl feels comfortable. and I cannot wait to get into this. Definitely make sure to check out the vlog that should be up in just a moment, okay, because I traveled to Jamaica, spent some time with friends and family for Babe's birthday. Y'all, first of all, I love when I get that booty length braid, okay? Yes. Anywho, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and of course, y'all know I will see you in my very next video. Bye, babies.